How I made 1,950 US dollars in 24 hours. Yeah, that's right, in one day with ClickBank affiliate marketing using quiz funnel with Google Ads. So as you can see here, right? So this is the total payment that I got in a day. But what is the most important thing? And if you stay until the end of this video, right? You will actually discover exactly how I did it step by step. So all behind the scenes thing that most gurus never ever share with you for free inside of YouTube videos. Let's go straight into it, right? Let's go straight so you can see exactly how you can grasp this concept and understand how this is actually done, right? So what most people are doing wrong to make $0 with affiliate marketing using quiz landers or quiz pre-sale pages, right? So the most important thing you have to understand, you see, when it comes to quiz funnels, is that everyone, right, just throws some kind of ads up there on Facebook, on Google, right? And that ad will lead people to the quiz page, and this quiz page will ask them a bunch of nonsensical, not important questions. Why? You see, the questions that have zero thought in them, zero purpose, and zero function will mean leads to zero sales on ClickBank, right? Or MaxWeb, or any other affiliate network, CPM marketing that you are doing right now, right? So maybe you bought some course from some guru on ClickBank before where they taught you for $5,000 or $10,000 coaching programs to create a quiz funnel. But what they did not teach you that will get you the results is what kind of questions and what kind of functional questions you have to insert in order for you to get the great results, which is get sales every day. Now let me show you exactly how this works, right? You can see over here, right? With lots of people out there, 99% I would say, right? What they do is set up ClickFunnels lander quiz page, right? Which you catch lots of customers with curiosity upfront, right? They are curious to know what is on the next page, right? But it does not do anything. Why? Because it's actually no intent. So there is no buying intent behind it, right? People only want to, the audience, they have the eyeballs, they want to see the ad, they want to see the quiz, but after that, they just are gone. They will not buy the product or the service that you're offering online, right? So it's hard to make sales without buyer's intent. Very important, very, very important thing. You can write it down, right? Now, let me show you, let's say in a manifestation, right? Law of attraction, a dating space, okay? Let's say we have 1 million people in a market, just a simple math, okay? Simple example. Now, usually out of 1 million people, right? 1 to 3% are always ready to buy. So those are called buyers on spot, right? Like this, instant buyers. So this audience is ready to buy now, right? So it means 10,000 to 30,000 people out of 1 million people are in the sellable audience stage, right? They want to buy. They're ready to buy anytime. They have a credit card, they want to swipe it. So everyone in the market is also comparing, just like you and me, for the same 10 to 30,000 sellable people, right? So they're in the solution seeking stage. Now, what most of the affiliates do wrong is they exclude everyone else who is on the fence, right? They're on the fence. They're ready to jump in and buy, but you did something wrong, right? You maybe, the guru that you work with maybe did not tell you what are functional questions to ask on the quiz funnel, how to segment your audiences based on male, female, age groups, what country they're living in, what is their core emotion behind it. All these things leads to lots of sales, right? So let me show you here. Let me show you exactly so you understand, okay? Again, stay until to the end because I'm going to reveal to you exactly how to do this, okay? So what I do differently, I ask functional questions, very important. You have to put some thought into it. I know core emotions of every single market I work with: weight loss, diet, diabetes, manifestation, BZOP, gambling, casino, whatever you're doing, right? All these niches, they have core emotions behind it, right? And then you have to understand, if you never heard of it, you have low emotional states and high emotional states, right? People who are buying ClickBank diabetes, weight loss offers, they are mostly in low emotional states. And you have to understand what kind of questions to ask in quiz to those kind of people, right? Then you're going to have high emotional states people who are already, let's say, doing very well. They already know they need a solution. They need to lose weight, right? They are fat, they're overweight. They already know they're about to get a diabetes or something like that. So they're already in how-to state, right? So they don't care how much it costs. They will take the plunge and buy, okay? So those are high emotional states. And then you have low emotional states who are desperate, right? So you have to understand the difference, but you don't have to learn it yourself. You need to have someone who help you along the way, step by step, and hand holding you to basically help you to get these kind of results, right? So we move them to the solution state with our quiz funnel. Now the next thing, let me show you the math. I spent $600 to make $1,950 in a day. Now how this works, I always suggest you're doing YouTube ads, Google ads, or Facebook ads. In this case, Google ads because of buyer's intent, of course. We're spending minimum $20, so $25 per day on Google ad campaign. Okay, that's the rule. Now, how I spent $600 to make back almost $2,000 in a day is basically this. You have to understand you have different audience levels. As I told you, if you remember before, right, on a previous slide, we talked about how you need to understand core emotions and ask functional questions on your Quizlander. So you move people from being curious, right, to problem state, and then to the solution state where they understand and grasp the concept that they can just buy the product, right? It's easy, right? So everyone understands that, especially if you're promoting supplements, right? So that's the thing that will move the needle for you, right? To have someone give you the strategy, the framework, the plan, the methodology that you can grasp, take advantage of, okay, and make money for yourself. So as you're watching this video right now, look, do the math for yourself. Ask yourself, would it be worth it to have someone help you step by step along the way and show exactly how to do this? Because look, if you spend $600 on ads on Google in a day and make back in profit $1,350, isn't that good? I mean, you spend $600 and make almost $2,000 back, right? So that can be monthly salary in many countries. So it really depends. I mean, once you grasp this, right? Once you understand this, first we connect together, then we set up the ad campaigns. And once you understand this concept, you can become someone who can do these campaigns yourself. You can become a free person. You can do whatever you want. And look, I'm not promising you millions here on this video, right? I'm just telling you what is possible. You can do at least $300 per day, right? For some of you maybe watching this video, $300 a day is not a lot of money. But if you do the math, that's also $9,000 per month USD we are talking here. That's also yours. So ask yourself, would it be worth it to have someone show me, guide me, help me to get to $9,000 per month in income? In profit we are talking, not revenue, profit. Okay? That's not a lot of money. Because look, if you're on ClickBank promoting weight loss supplements, usually $100 to $300 in upsells. So imagine it's only one sale a day. You have one sale a day or two sales a day. You're making $300 to $400 per day. Okay? Now even if you're not making that, let's say you're making only 200 euros per day. 200 euros per day is 6,000 euros per month. All right? Google what is the salary of some doctors or somewhere, right? They are making, you can make the life-changing income, right? And do what you want. If you grasp this chance, this opportunity, if you take action now and do something before New Year, right? Not procrastinating, not putting it off. Oh, I'll do it next week. I'll do it tomorrow. Because tomorrow never comes now. You will never do it, okay? If you actually say to yourself, right? If you want to make at least $1,000 per week, $1,000 per month, $1,000 per day, whatever your goal is, right? I can show you how you can make money on ClickBank or any other affiliate network using paid advertising, but how much you make, it's entirely up to you, right? That's entirely up to you, up to your budget, and up to you at the end, right? Your decision, okay? You can become someone who can become free and become pro affiliate marketer, right? Or I could say you don't deserve this option because you are not taking any action. So that's entirely up to you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you got some value out of it. Now you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can like this video. Okay, smash the like video. And also connect with me one-on-one. All the social media links, WhatsApp, everything is below this video in the description. Reach out to me, but only if you're serious. And what I mean by that, if you're serious, if you have at least 1,000 to 5,000 US dollars to invest with, to start with, right? That can actually move the needle for you to go from zero to hero, from someone who basically at least making, I don't know, $2,000 per week. Okay? I mean, this is a child's play, right? Seriously speaking, this is a child's play. The numbers I'm talking here are not unbelievable claims. Millions per week. No, I'm talking about $300 per day. I mean, everyone can do that, of course, but not everyone will, right? Experience has taught us no one is always taking action. They're just watching. They're not taking action. They're procrastinating, right? They're making excuses. They're saying, I don't have money. Look, if you don't have money, you should do this, okay? You should do this at least for yourself, at least for someone of your family, because if you don't have money, then you should go and do it, right? Not making excuses, you cannot do it, all right? Because then you really need this to make it happen, okay? So that's it. I hope you got some value, and let me know after watching this video.